In this video, we'll be doing a sound test on 3 of the new smart speakers available this year. 2 from Amazon, the Echo Dot and the Echo, and the new one from Apple, the HomePod Mini. Let's take a closer look. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. So you may be in the market for a smart speaker this holiday season, and at the top of your list may well be the Apple HomePod Mini. Well, there's a couple of other devices that you ought to listen to and just check out first. There's this, which is the Echo Dot 4th generation. This is Amazon's entry level, and then there's this, the Amazon Echo. This is a smarter device and is larger and certainly sounds better. How about pricing? Well, on the left is the Amazon Echo. Now, without any offers on or any discounts, it's $89.99 in the UK, $99.99 in the US. The middle one, the Apple HomePod Mini, is $99.99 in the UK and US, and the Echo Dot is $49.99 in the UK and the US. Now, size isn't everything, but if you are just comparing size, well then the Echo Dot 4th generation and the Apple device, well they are almost identical and they look pretty similar too. I think certainly the Apple device looks better and feels like it's a better quality. Now, when you bring in that new Echo, well, it's a different size comparison completely. It's about double the size of the Echo Dot and the Apple HomePod Mini. Now, before we do that sound test, just one thing to bear in mind. Do not buy the HomePod Mini if you've got an Android device. You do need to have an iPhone in order for that to work. Please remember that. So each one of the speakers will play the same track. I've recorded it from exactly the same position using my Rode Professional microphone. For you to judge the best results of this, it's probably best that you're wearing headphones, but you may, if you've got a reasonable sound system, be able to tell the difference. But that's my advice, pop some headphones on. Okay, the first one that we're going to play is the Apple HomePod Mini.
I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't relax now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it?
Now in just a second I'm going to play the exact same clip on all 3 devices, so hopefully you can get an even better understanding of which one is the best. But for me, after that first test, it was the 2020 Amazon Echo was out in front, followed by, not far behind I have to say, the Apple HomePod Mini, and then significantly further behind was the Amazon Echo Dot. So that was clear for me. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts were.
I got what you want. I got what you need. I got what you want. I got what you want. Got what you need now. I got what you want. I got what you need. I got what you want.
So for me, that second test was about even between the Apple HomePod Mini and the Amazon Echo, but overall I would say that the Amazon Echo definitely has the better sound. Obviously it's a bigger device, it has bigger drivers, and that is what's delivering the better sound. It's also cheaper, so my friends, that is the one, if it's purely down to sound quality, that I'd recommend you go for. Thanks for watching this video. I will do more comparisons in terms of their smartness over the course of the next couple of weeks. Thanks again, my friends, for watching. See you on the next one.